Today everyone, I'm going to graft a variegated myla. The sap from this myla is a bit mutated. The sap here is yellow, and over here it's green. I don't know if this sap will allow the graft to take and survive. Let's pause for a moment. I've cut off the earring-shaped part from the variegated mylar. The pattern on this piece is really beautiful. Everyone, today we're going to continue grafting. I've recorded this down. Xiaozhen always forgets things, doesn't she, everyone? Next, let's graft this branch. First, we'll trim it. After Xiaozhen's ruthless scissors, this branch no longer has any flowers. Next, let's work on the little tiger tooth. Let's disinfect this node. This one looks like it has chlorophyll. That one. That ice branch, Xiaozhen's ice branch, is not easy to keep alive, but this one has chlorophyll, so it should do much better. 1, 2, 3, okay, 3 nodes. This particular branch currently has exactly 3 distinct nodes, so we can therefore only graft a maximum of 3 additional nodes onto it. The cambium layers are aligned. Let's change the blade. This one's rusted. The blade is rusted. Lately, I haven't been grafting often, so the tools haven't been used much, and they've gotten a bit rusty, friends. Then trim off any excess edges or anything like that. Wow, there's still quite a significant bit of pressure with the delicate process of grafting at this very moment, everyone. The cambium layers are aligned, and there's some space left as needed. So everyone, if you have any valuable questions about grafting or planting, feel free to leave a comment below the video, or you can also send a private message to Xiaozhen. Next up is the terminal bud. The terminal bud is a bit soft. If the blade isn't really sharp, it's very hard to cut. The lighting isn't good currently, and also my eyesight isn't particularly great at all. I'm not having an easy time, you see, everyone. So friends, this is the cut that Xiaozhen made. Alright, the cambium layers are now aligned. Next, let's wrap it with grafting tape. Actually, when it comes to wrapping with grafting tape, if you do a lot of grafting, you'll know it's quite important. Sometimes if the wrapping isn't done properly, it won't work very well. Alright, since this is a bit dry, if it's a bit dry, just spray some mist on it. Xiaozhen, that's fine. This is a new small pot that just arrived today. The old one was too small. This is clean mineral water. Tap water is fine too, as long as it's clean, just spray a bit more. Number 2. After a mere 3 or 4 hours, that small little spray bottle isn't exactly very clean anymore, and the water you spray out isn't really clear or pristine either, so I decided to purchase a few brand new small spray bottles to help keep things fresh, organized, and completely under control. Alright, next, wrap it with plastic wrap and then seal this opening. This ensures the right temperature and humidity. Friends, this bougainvillea has now been grafted successfully. This is also a raised root bougainvillea in a tall pot. When it's time to repot it, it'll look great. Bye, friends.